Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to see liked songs on Spotify using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your Spotify app and then make sure that your account is logged into it. So for example, this video, The Moon River, you click heart and it means save to your library. Okay, or it means that it is your liked songs. Okay, so just go ahead and click that, and as you can see, added to your liked songs. So if you want to see all of your liked songs, just go ahead and click on liked songs on the right side of your screen, and here you can see all of your liked songs. So if you want to remove any of this, just click the heart to remove it from your library. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.